Check out this 2007 GMC Sierra Classic 1500 Extended Cab. It only has 79,000 miles on the odometer, so it's been well taken care of. As you can see, it has a very spacious pickup cab, as well as a tow package in the back, so you'll be able to transport just about anything safely. There's cruise control and power steering. As for entertainment, you'll have AM/FM radio and a CD player. The Sierra has all the bells and whistles to be the perfect truck. Come on down today and take it on a free 48-hour test drive. It's passed our 172-point inspection and is ready to hit the road.